I don't know what to do when I got you on my mind. I can't drop it clear and leave it all behind, 'cause I'm thinking of you and I don't know what to do. Don't you know I'm feeling blue? I don't know what to do when you don't get back to me, 'cause I can read your mind in any way. If I could, would it be here? No, I've been making money as a mind reader. Don't you think you owe me a drink? Don't you feel you owe me at least a heel of your time? I shouldn't care about what you don't say to me, 'cause I know that you don't want to play with me. And it's strange, but you know I want you all the same. Don't you think you owe me a drink? Don't you feel you owe me at least a heel of your time? Never will if you're there, but I can't help but to stand and stare. And I hope that you look back at me. Oh, it would be so very easy. It would be so very easy. It would be so very easy. It would be so very easy.